When you get old, you slow down. Things happen to your voice. You can't hit the high notes anymore. And you have to go the route of Leonard Cohen. You have to go slow and low. All those boy bands with their tight trousers hitting those high notes. They can't compete with Leonard, who's got that subsonic rumble of a voice, who sings slow and low. Slow. I'm slowing down the tune, I've never liked it fast. You want to get there soon, I want to get there last. It's not because I'm old, it's not the life I've led. I've always liked it slow. That's what my mama said. I'm lazing on my shoes, but don't want to run. I'll get there when I do. Don't need a starting gun. It's not because I'm old, it's not what dying does. I've always liked it slow. Slow is in my blood. I've always liked it slow, I've never liked it fast. With you, you've got to go, with me, it's got to last. It's not because I'm old, it's not because I'm dead. I've always liked it slow. That's what my mama said. Well, all your moves are swift and all your tongues are tight. Let me catch my breath, I thought we had all night. Like to take my time, like to linger as it flies. A weekend on your lips, and a lifetime between your thighs. I've always liked it slow, I've never liked it fast. With you it's got to go, with me it's got to last. It's not because I'm old, it's not the life I've led. I've always liked it slow. That's what my mama said. I'm slowing down the tune, I never liked it fast. You want to get there soon, I want to get there last. So baby, let me go, you're wanted back in town. In case they want to know, I'm trying to slow it down. Also, when you get old, there are lots of problems, philosophical problems to consider, like why do feet smell and noses run?